What's up, everyone? I'm Gary Dhindsa, where we talk Abbey condos and East Abbey real estate. Alright, in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 6 reasons why you want to live in Abbotsford, British Columbia. Number 1, it's the city and the country. If you want to get away from the hustle and bustle and the traffic from the lower mainland or other cities in the Fraser Valley, then you need to consider Abbotsford. Did you know 72% of the land in Abbotsford is located within the agricultural land reserve? Farming is both a significant part of the community and acts as a strong economic pillar for the city. Number 2, you can access municipal services here in town that you would find in bigger cities, such as the Abbotsford Police Department, the Abbotsford Regional Hospital, and the Abbotsford International Airport. Number 3, you're surrounded with nature and have scenic views of Mount Baker. You have access to wonderful parks like Mill Lake Park, McDonald Park, Willowbend Park, the Discovery Trail, and the Abbey Shrine. Number 4, it's a great place to raise a family. Abbotsford offers many quiet neighborhoods that are both family and kid-friendly. You also have access to both great public and private schools. Number 5, there is a sense of community amongst the local residents. There are some families that have lived here in Abbotsford for generations. Whenever there is a tragedy or natural disaster, you'll notice that the people of Abbotsford come together quickly and help those in need. Number 6, Abbotsford is a growing city in both population and development. Just drive around town and you'll notice a lot of multifamily, residential, and industrial development happening. So if you are thinking of moving to a new city, consider Abbotsford. If you have any questions, please let me know. As always, I'm Gary Dhindsa, and I'll see you next week.